I am Esther Guardiola. This is comply with these speaking topics. My first topic is about tourism in Ecuador, advantages and disadvantages. Everybody knows that Ecuador is a very important touristic place. From all over the world, people come and visit our beautiful country. The most visited places are usually the jungle, the Amazon, Galapagos. We have also the highlands and lowlands. In the highlands, you could see all those beautiful volcanoes, and also you have indigenous markets such as Otavalo Market. Whenever we have this influence of tourists in our country, we benefit because we have an income from them. Unfortunately, at the same time, there's a big disadvantages because they do affect our planet. That is the case of Galapagos. The introduction of
No, mira que se mi tarea, muchacha.
Venimos entonces. ¿Cuántos
Yo
minutos
solamente.
tenía?
40 segundos.
Tenía 40 segundos. Aquí yo tengo el tiempo, mire.
40 segundos.
Ok,
Aquí ya
y
tengo
ya
el tiempo.
después ya díganse que ya me van, ya me
Yo
voy.
le hago así cuando ya esté pasado los dos, ¿ya?
No, ¿y de qué te